the dog for close some fest, you know.
You're telling us something that we didn't know?
Yeah, you know, if you close some fest, if they're not closing some fest again, come back last time close for 1 hour. You see it? Come out with the whole thing and the whole down something and say, if not close it. So, look at how I go and really miss mine, but the closing part.
But what the closing have to do with cartel though?
No, listen no. So man say, alright then, when them are forward, things have really oil to set for massacre. You understand? Cartel. So man say, oh wait. Last time cartel are prison, you know, me wanna use, you know. And me I phone the call, you know. But the bomb buckler I wanna deal with. And then they don't know where. So man say, oh, pussy will take for them. Hold on a pussy. And go on and hit him 10 times and just get mad there, sir.
So the energy there, sir.
The energy for different right there, sir.
10 to 10 energy.
Yeah, it's like that book you want, me I treat him better. You say, yo, what the fuck?
Me see the energy from me come on the show, dog. Them boy, they don't want me.